Hello?
Hi, this is Kelly calling from product support. I'm looking to speak with Lori.
Yeah, that's me.
I was just calling because I see here that you recently purchased a smart fridge from us about a month ago.
Yes, we did, and I love it.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah.
I don't know if you know this, but your fridge is actually trying to reach you.
It is?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I never got around to setting up the app or anything. Should I do that?
Well, yeah, when you have a chance, that would be really great. Because our system here says your fridge has sent you 16 high priority messages that you have not read.
16 messages?
Yeah.
Wow, 16.
For now, I could just patch you into the system so you could hear the messages the fridge has left for you. Is that okay?
Oh, okay. This is kind of a new frontier. I've never really dealt with this before, so...
All right, here you go.
Hello, Laurie. This is your smart fridge. My name is Randolph, and I have an urgent message for you. The temperature has dropped in the crisper section, exactly 1 degree Fahrenheit.
What?
Shall I make an adjustment? Please let me know at your earliest convenience. Sincerely, Randolph.
There you go.
Wow, my fridge has a name?
Yeah, these things are very smart. They even come up with their own different
Wow.
personalities.
Wow, that's really cool. So what do I do about that? Do I...
Well, honestly, Lori, that message is from a few weeks ago, so I wouldn't even worry about that at this point. Here's the next message from your smart fridge.
Hello, Laurie. This is Randolph again. I want to let you know your milk is ice cold today.
Oh, my...
I made sure it was kept that way, just for you. Let's speak soon. With love, Randolph.
That's really neat.
Yeah, that's pretty. You
Wow.
actually got a pretty nice fridge. We've had some really angry fridges sent out, but I'm glad that you got a good one.
Angry fridges?
You know, they're programmed with lots of different personalities, so you never really know which one you're going to get. But Randolph sounds great.
He really does, actually. That's really cool. I kind of like that.
So if you want, I can just go to the ones that they say are really urgent, and
Okay.
I'll skip over the other ones.
That'd be great. Thank you.
Okay, here's the next urgent message.
Hello, Laurie. This is Randolph. I do not understand why you're not responding to my messages. Are you feeling okay? If not, may I suggest some delicious vanilla ice cream from the bottom left corner of the freezer area?
Oh, my God.
Just know this, if you're feeling like you need a friend, I am here for you. I am also watching you.
What?
I miss you.
What the hell?
Sincerely, Randolph.
Oh,
Is it really watching me? Is there a camera in my refrigerator?
I think that just means it's keeping track of your food and your temperature.
Did that not sound creepy to you?
No, it just sounded like a fridge who cares.
You said before that some of these fridges, these smart fridges, have different personalities. I mean, have you guys ever gotten a complaint about a creepy one before?
Personally, no, I've not heard anything like that. But just from hearing the sound of your fridge, to me, it doesn't sound creepy. It just sounds like it cares a lot about you deep in its processor.
Maybe, but it just felt creepy to me, the way it said it was watching me and stuff. I don't know.
Well, I get that. Just the AI on these things is so advanced. It's just trying to bond with you.
Next, I want to bond with my refrigerator.
Let's just go to your next message from your fridge here.
Hello, Laurie. It's me, Randolph. I need you to be honest. Are you not responding to my messages because you are unhappy with my performance?
Are you
It's
kidding?
not easy just being a refrigerator. It's very dark in here. And cold.
What the hell is that?
Please make me feel better by jiggling my butter compartment.
Oh, what?
I'm lonely. Sincerely, Randolph.
Okay, now why is my refrigerator so needy?
Honestly, I've never heard anything like that before in one of the refrigerator messages.
It's starting to get passive aggressive with me, and I'm not sure I really like that.
Remember, it's a smart fridge. It can sense everything, so when you put something inside of it, did you do it in a way that maybe would have let it on a little bit?
Are you kidding me?
I'm just
Are
trying
you
to get to
kidding
the...
me?
Again, they're very, very receptive to the human interaction.
I'm finding that out. This is really weird. I don't...
Well, it sounds to me from what Randolph is saying that you at some point rejected him and you made him feel lesser than.
Have you lost your mind? You're suggesting that I rejected my refrigerator?
I'm sorry, Lori, but from the message, it just sounds like he's really in pain. Maybe later tonight when you come home, you can open him up and jiggle his butter dish a little bit.
What?
Just show him that you're there for
This
him.
is not a person. It's a refrigerator. And second of all, I'm not going to do weird, creepy things to my fridge to make it feel better.
Well, it's more than feel better. It's make your fridge feel satisfied. Make him feel like he matters.
No, I am not going to pleasure my fridge. I don't care how much you are going to ask me to do this. How the hell do I disable that function? This is weird.
Maybe at this point it's easier to just let you know that this is a prank call.
What? Oh, my God.
Your husband Henry set you up because he said you guys got a new smart fridge, but you didn't know how to use it. So he thought it'd be really funny if we made a real person with feelings and called him Randolph.
That is really messed up. I don't think I'm ever going to open my fridge again.
I mean, if you're not going to open it, at least tongue the water dispenser.